So today we are heading to a Cars and Coffee. Not sure if it's going to be anything cool. Basically just going because somebody in the comments said that his C63 was louder than my Mach 1 with headers. So we're going to go find out. So we're obviously bringing the Mach 1. This will probably be the last time that we take it out for a while because the check engine light did come on after the header install. So we got a tune ordered. I got a video coming with that here soon. I know you guys have been asking about the tune after the header install. And then also bringing the red car. Can we just appreciate how good they look together? And then Brandon is also bringing the Hellcat. We have Matthew here with his Mustang, so he's tagging along as well. Out here we got Beck's Mustang, which he'll be working on later, but it's not coming to the meet today. So after driving around all over Colorado Springs, we finally found it.
Okay. Told you it's Marcos.
Oh. No, this is Polo's.
I'll get the drone out.
Yeah, you should.
Definitely should do some drone. I will. Damn, that red car is popping.
W on you. Look, BMW.
Yep. What do you think of the McLaren?
Mustang. A Mustang, Dad. Do you see that? Look, there's a Mustang.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Look, a Porsche. Look at the Porsches. Look at these right here. What do you think?
Hey, this is what we have in Call of Duty.
No one Forza.
Hey, Jaybird.
Hey.
So we showed up late. Apparently this one started at 7 a.m. and we got here at 10 and it ends at 11. So didn't get the best footage, but we met some people. There is another event tonight that we're gonna go to. So we'll see what that's like.
Miss you. Hey little guys, we're gonna go in the garage today. We're taking a video today for the Mustang. Here's your Achilles here. I'm working on a 25 Mustang. I got a pretty nice Hertz confuser. But anyways, here's the Mustang here, exhaust gunner there. As you can see here.
Hurt, don't let Odin take your bone. Odin, no! You little... No, you get it. You stop it. No, you have one. Herc, stand up for yourself.
Oh, you take after your mom.
How dare you? All right, so we are about to head out to our second meet of the day, which is kind of crazy since we really don't ever leave the house or socialize at car events locally, but things are changing. We're doing some socials, so we're heading out to the second meet. Hopefully we'll get some more cool footage for you guys, so.
Look, I got Epic Customs, and then
What else you got?
I got the Epic Customs, Kate's video, Epic Customs.
Marketing
There you go. Oh, he don't care. He's like, hey, did I give you a card yet?
Yeah, sir, excuse me. Can't leave here without a card.
Yeah, I've heard that. Okay, all right.
That's so funny.
Nice.
It took forever to
Mercedes fan, big car fan. Yeah, I have a huge problem.
Oh, we got Chucky over here.
Y'all will tell anybody,
right?
Nobody will see it.
Right?
I'll give you one when we run out.
Good job. BMW. That's right.
Fixing it up.
Yeah, you don't want to be touching it, all right?
The engine. I'm not even touching. I'm keeping my hands in my pocket.
Good job.
Look,
Let's go. What else we got?
Come here.
What we got? Isn't that cool? Don't get close. Isn't that cool?
Heck yeah. Heck yeah. That's what I want to see.
Let me know.
How much I made? They pulled up. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Got the chain too?
Yeah.
He icy.
You already got him.
I got one too, man.
Good job.
These are all the cars.
You're killing it, man.
We haven't told him to do this. He just started doing it.
Yeah.
Hey, I mean, whatever you get, right? It's free marketing.
Hey, why are you yelling at me?
She's not. She's playing.
Stop pushing me. I have to do my job, okay?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Let me see that. Hey guys,
Good.
today we're at a car show, passing out credit cards, videos. Kate. car show today. We have pretty cool, awesome Mercedes. Here we have a Mach. Hey, we're making a video. Okay. Look at these awesome wheels. They're pretty. They don't break easy. Today we're gonna make. Here's a Corvette over here. Let's go.
You might have won. That's so awesome, too. God dang.
Now we're watching a car show. We're gonna look at the awesome car show. There is a lot of people that start cars and make them the gas pedal very loud. There we go. Here's all the cars we have, and except for this thing, this is an awesome Mercedes and inside. So look at these wheels. These are nice for him named Jay. He drifts a lot. And Brandon, what are you gonna say, Kate?
Like and subscribe.
Okay. Subscribe, push the like button.
Can we just talk about how quiet Mach is in quiet mode? It's insane. All right, so we just got back from tonight's meet. That was such a good time. It was so cool to meet with actually a couple of you that have watched my videos. Big shout out to Robert, because really he's the only reason why we even went out to begin with. And at my Mach 1 header install video, he actually left a comment saying that his C63 was louder than my Mach with headers, and he was correct. That thing was crazy. It like hurt my heart how loud it was. So super cool to see your car. Yeah, I'll probably start going out to meets like this a little bit more often, just because it's really cool to, you know, kind of get out, check out other builds. And if anything, now I feel just like more motivated to make the Mach, Subaru, the Hellcat just louder, faster, you know, just everything. So yeah, that was super good. I have a ton of food preparation to do for Mother's Day tomorrow, so I'm gonna get started on that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a great weekend and a good Mother's Day. I'll see you guys again next week.